Afternoon tutorial class. My name is Karen Muñoz. I am studying business administration. I am Sad Luitama. I live in Paipaujaca. We were doing last my Christmas. I was last Christmas with my family. I usually prepared the custard with my children. My son Carlos was helping with the custard and my daughter Sofia was enlisting the mashed potatoes. We were very happy. My small daughter Maria Jose was playing and my husband Carlos is policeman. He was working, but he came to share it with us. We were until 12 p.m. in family. We uncovered the wish my children were immersed. We were thanks to for being in my family. I for had her blessing. Spray 3 a 250 gramos doble cream cheese grated, 100 gramos butter a room temperature 2 tablespoons and sugar of stevia optional, 1 cup water tibia, 1 cup boiled milk, 50 grams, salt, 2 eggs beaten. The preparation of cheese arepas deliciosos with net a container usually of plastic 4 and 7 grain flour with butter around temperature, the salt, the sugar and the eggs, churning with hand until heating or homogeneous texture. Later add the whole milk and the tibia water when the mass has temperature softly on of can we leave for 10 minutes rest. Accounting usually the cheese, shreds and 7 grain flours is joined and we make a force of press of the forget arepas in a finger pan and temperature we high butter and we live consuming with your drinks favorite.